What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So for a very long time in my studio, I just been using a regular chair, very uncomfortable. Well, GTracing have reached out to me and sent me one of their nice premium gaming chairs. It's a very good addition to the collection that I've never had. And I'm very eager and excited for this chair here. This is gonna be the Pro Series. This is gonna be the GT002, and I got this one in blue. All product links will be down in the description below. So let me go ahead and unbox this and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So this is a huge box. Let me go on and get in it, and let's go on and see what it's all about. I'm going to put it together. This is my very first gaming chair, so I'm excited for it. And let's open it up. Ooh, it comes in a lot of pieces that I'm gonna have to put it all together here. I mean, a huge box. Jesus. Okay. Ooh, lot of tools. All right, so here it is, GTracing. They got the whole assembly instructions, and I mean, it's a few things I got to do to put this together. So let's go and have some fun. Let's go. All right, guys, so finally finished putting the chair together. And I can tell you one thing, that putting this chair together was not a challenge. It wasn't that hard to do. I can tell you that you definitely got to follow the instructions all the way if you want to put this chair together. I didn't run into any issues. It just basically followed the instructions, and here it is, right? You got your back brace right there, so you can kind of stay kind of upright a little bit. You do have a headrest a little bit, so we kind of put it right there. Feels real comfortable. Really do like it. You can make your adjustments here. You kind of go back and forth like so, which is really nice. So I can recline a little bit to get the perfect angle. Also, let's see, I think I got a level here. Yep, so I got a level here. I can go down, go up, stuff like that, just like your normal chair. And here you got your armrest. I can go up, down here. All right. So that's really good. The wheels is nice. It rolls really good. I think the chair is really nice. You can see it on the angle. I think it's really good here. Look at the back. The back looks really good. Man, this is a nice, comfortable chair. I will leave all product details down in the description below if you want to pick this up. So I think everything good. I like the headrest. Oh man, this feels so good. It's my first time having a gaming chair, so I'm excited for this chair here. I'm glad that I got it. It's gonna be a very good addition to my collection. and I get to get rid of the old chair that I had in my studio, and now I could put this chair in place. That's what I'm talking about. So check it out. I definitely recommend this chair. It's really good. It feels good here. So if you use my product link, you're definitely going to get a discount. So I will leave that down in the description below. But if anything changed, I will leave it down in the description below. But yeah, took me about 30-45 minutes to put this together. And whew, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, man, this feels so good. I like the way this feels. And it got that back support, which is great because when you're playing games or when I'm going to do videos and stuff like that, you need that back support to kind of keep the arch and everything good. So it is a very good chair. It's comfortable. I like the accent. I like the look. I like the colors. I like everything about this chair. So this is going to be a definitely great addition to what I have. This is Eric, the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. I want to give a huge thanks to GTracing for sending me out this chair. This is Eric, the Tech Preacher. See you guys on the next video. Peace.